Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Dungeon Stalkers, game crashing or not launching, stuck on loading screen, black screen, lagging or freezing issue on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC or Steam. So the game is on Steam, so simply go to Steam, then click on Steam option over here and then click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon over here, then click on power and then select restart. This will restart your system. After your PC restarts, now try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. If not, next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, you simply go to Steam. Under library section, select your game over here. Right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and now here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. After verifying the files, now try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. Next is to update graphics card. Make sure your graphics cards are updated to the latest version. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager, and then go below and display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers over here. It will check if there is any update available and install the latest updates of the drivers, and after that try to play the game and see if the issue is resolved. If your graphics card is of Nvidia or AMD, then go through the link in the description and update your graphics card, and after that try to play the game and see if this works. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select the application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator and hit on apply and OK. If this works then fine, otherwise click on run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then hit on apply and OK. If it doesn't work, then click on disable full screen optimizations and then hit on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and see if this solution resolves the problem. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option over here, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings. After that, look for the game if it's listed over here. If you cannot find it, then simply go to allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where it has been installed, program files, then Steam, then Steam apps common, and here select the game application, click on open and it will be added here. Simply click on add option. So it's saying it's already been added, so let's check it. So this is the game path. So simply click on private and public boxes and then click on OK, and after that try to launch the game and see if this solution helps you. Next is to modify launch option. So go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and here general type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and see if this solution works for you. If not, then type -DX12 and then again try to launch the game and see if it helps. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings over here. Now in the here check if your game has been added over here. If not, simply click on add desktop app. Now go to the game folder where it has been installed. So go to Steam, then Steam apps common. Here select the game, click on add and it will be added over here. Now under GPU preference you need to select high performance. After this, restart your PC once and then try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. Next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, if you are playing the game on Steam, simply select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general you need to check enable the Steam overlay while in game option. It is enabled. You need to click on it and simply it will be disabled. After that, try to launch the game and see if this works. Apart from this, for GeForce Experience, you need to click on GeForce Experience, open it, click on the gear icon beside username, then tap on general, and from here you need to switch off in-game overlay option. For Discord, simply go to user settings, game overlay tab, and from here disable the enable in-game overlay option. And after that, try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. Next solution is to check graphic settings. While playing the game, make sure your graphic settings are set as low. You should check the texture quality, resolution, or other things that directly impacts the game. So make sure these settings are set as low, and after that try to play the game and check if this works. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the task bar settings, click on task manager, and under process tab find those apps which is of no use or is consuming high resources. Simply select it, right click on it and click on end task. This will remove the, and after that try to launch the game and see if crashing or not launching or other issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option over here and search for check for updates. Now here you can see it's saying you're up to date, but still if you want you can click on check for updates option and it will search for the latest update, and if not then it will update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have provided the link in the description. Simply copy it, go to your browser and after that paste it, and from here go below and install the latest Visual C++ files on your PC, and after that check if this solution resolves the problem or not. Next is to reinstall the game. So when after following the above methods, if still the same issue occurs, then it's time to reinstall the game once. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall over here and click on uninstall finally. So this will remove the game from your system. Apart from this, you can also go to the control panel, then click on uninstall a program, and from here select the game and right click on it and click on uninstall. So this will uninstall the game. After that, restart your system once and then open Steam, reinstall the game on your Steam, and after that try to relaunch and check if you can play now without any crashing or other issues. So these are few solutions suggested to fix the issue you are coming across. So I hope following these methods will resolve the issue. So that's all for now in this video guide. Thank you.